Okay, now let's look at some Tanzu mission control use cases. Okay, first, again, multi-cluster management. And so Tanzu mission control really allows you to define global policies across your Kubernetes environments that through a centralized common interface without needing, so you can deploy and you can manage and you can have centralized policies across all these environments through the common interface, even across multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments. Now, and if you have existing clusters, perhaps you have teams that have already running services on a cloud provider service that would like to have additional support or governance from a centralized IT organization. It's very simple to attach an existing cluster by installing some agents on an existing Kubernetes cluster, and any standard conformant Kubernetes cluster can be easily brought into this visibility and control from TMC. Managing Kubernetes on vSphere 7. And so Tanzu Mission Control provides has integration awareness with the supervisor cluster, and is able to help with the Tanzu Kubernetes, or to provision and provide automations and user interface for managing Tanzu Kubernetes grid workload clusters on vSphere 7. And so you can provision and attach TKG or attach TKG guest clusters. You can automate TKG attachment and the automated provisioning process. You can extend and connect the environment to the public cloud seamlessly. So again, reducing the operational burden and really simplifying the availability and manageability and service level of the Kubernetes service for the enterprise. Okay, now edge use cases in particular, you may have, depending on the size of your enterprise, if you're thinking about having some data centers where you want to deploy your application for availability, if you have a global footprint, you might have several global data centers. But in general, where we're talking edge use cases, we're talking about a substantially larger number of deployments, and very frequently these deployments are to unmanned locations. And so in the case of edge, while the benefits of the edge use cases are extremely attractive, it offers really substantial improvements on the overall life cycle and process of deploying application services to remote locations. However, it's really untenable without a solution that makes the multi-cluster management and control very effective and very efficient.